All right, y'all. So we are having a family Christmas party with the crew. A crew Christmas party. We just got back from church. We got the house kind of cleaned up. Hazen's asleep. Rigel's going berserk. We have a challenge with this Christmas party. Everybody's gonna bring a dessert made with a keto brick, and we're gonna have a winner, and the winner gets to pick the next team day. So Crystal is making a brownie.
A brownie with Bell's brownie batter.
A brownie with Bell's brownie batter. I am making something I don't know yet. It's work in progress, but I'm using primal fudge, so we'll see what happens here. Alright, y'all, so this is the dealio on the cooking challenge here. Everybody had to make a dessert recipe, like I said earlier, using a keto brick as a primary ingredient. We're still waiting on Bryson. He's fashionably late, per usual. Clancy, his family's sick, so they're not going to be able to come, unfortunately. But everybody's going to be here, so we're going to have all of our desserts lined up. We're going to let you know what the flavor brick was, what the name of the dessert is. Then we're going to randomly taste them to see which one wins, and it's gonna be good, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, while the food is finishing up and we're waiting on Bryson, show you all the piggy wigglies real quick here. So there's the porkers. We got 4. They're like an Idaho pasture pig and Berkshire cross, and Ellen keeps eyeing them. You gonna eat my pigs?
No.
Each one for pets? Pet pigs?
Yes.
But they're tearing up our grass a wee bit. I guess that's just part of it. They're like little bulldozers that eat, but pretty handy. We can go look at the chickens too. Let's go do that. All right, so this is the chicken yard that we had the pigs in for a while. You can see how much they've totally just rooted it all up. But we caught 2 chickens. Let's see if they're in here. We got to clip their wings and get them familiarized to us. Nice, Sonny. There we go. We got our 2 lone chickens that we were able to catch. What do you think, Rigel? Hey, Rigel? You got something on your lip, buddy. Have you been eating something? No, you haven't been eating anything?
I have been eating a bunch of cheese.
A bunch of cheese? I believe it. So here's my dessert. Totally just threw everything in, put it in the Dutch oven. Going for an aesthetic vibe here. Who knows if it tastes good?
How's that chili, bro?
Good.
Looks awesome.
I made it. The cat just drug in. Bryson, fashionably 55 minutes late.
I was sick all week. You know, I had to take a nap before I came, but I'm
all
glad
y'all
I'm
that
here.
wonder why we don't have all the bricks in stock all the time, it's because one of our main employees is always late. That's the reason. That's the reason.
7 years in the making.
So, what do we got here, Bryson? Bryson brought this.
Yeah, it's just white chocolate peppermint coated in primal fudge.
Oh, that sounds good.
Ooh.
It is good.
Ellen, what we got?
It is a keto yogurt bundt cake with a primal fudge frosting.
Nice.
Yep.
Chip, our most enthusiastic chef. What is that?
That is a brick on a stick.
Brick on a stick.
I like it.
Very, very original.
Watch out for splinters.
What do we have here?
That's a brownie with Bell's brownie.
A brownie with Bell's brownie. This is my concoction. I have no idea what it is, but it's made with primal fudge.
It's the thing.
What do you got up in here, Greg?
We got some crunchy peanut butter clusters, frozen, covered in melted primal fudge, sprinkled with peanut butter powder, and drizzled with melted carnivore cake pop.
Ooh, nice. That sounds pretty original. I like it. All right, so we're all gonna try these, and then the judging will commence.
All right, so we've got all the votes. everyone voted what their first and second favorite were. The first winner gets to choose what we're gonna do for our next team day, and they have a total allotment of dollars that they can spend. And the runner-up gets to choose where we're eating. So, I've got the results. So here we go. So the winner is Ellen.
Woo! Good job, Ellen.
And the runner-up is a tiebreaker, Robert and Crystal. That's why I was laughing. I was like, this is hilarious.
Good job, Ellen. Look at that.
You
That
guys planned
one.
this so that
And
Robert
then
and I would tie.
Robert.
And so,
No, but that's funny.
Yeah, I know.
Here at Keto Brick, we feed our livestock the best of the best. We have some chocolate peanut butter cup that was gnawed on by Rigel and probably fell on the ground. So we're gonna feed it to our pigs. Come here, porkers. Alrighty, y'all. We are wrapping up the vlog clip and the day. Everybody left. It was great. I feel like the dessert challenge was a hit.
I think so.
We put on the video who won, right? Ellen
Yeah.
won, and then you and I tied for second.
Yep.
Congrats, Ellen. They were all really good, though. Honestly,
were
there
all
was not a
really good.
single bad dessert. They were all really good. But great people, great food, great camaraderie. We have the amazing team. So kudos to our Keto Brick team. And did you have fun, Rigel? Did you have fun? Are you camera shy?
We really missed Clancy and his whole family.
Yes.
We really missed them this year.
Yeah, I was looking forward to showing you my pigs, Clancy. The pigs want to see you. But we enjoyed it. Yeah, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. All the things. We're going to try and vlog more. I've said that. I probably should stop saying that.
believing him.
No, don't stop believing in me. Just recognize that there's a lot going on behind the scenes that has distracted me from vlogging. But it's gonna happen.
back
Hey,
up, man.
what are you doing? Are you gonna say Rigel's all chapped right
I know,
now because
he's got like snot and
Yeah.
chopped mouth. And
he's in that stage of being 3. All right, Hayes is cute.
do that.
Crystal's cute. Rigel's cute. Y'all are beautiful. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. See ya next time.
See ya.
Ta-ta.
I'll turn off.
Okay, wait, it's this button here. Is this the big red one? Yep, that one right there.